Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time answering the question, GoPro Hero 8 Black or Insta360, 1R with a 1-inch mod. Which one do I prefer? On the outside both cameras are very different. The Insta360 1R comes in a modular design. The brand deserves credit here for trying something new. This design allows to use the same processor unit and battery with multiple sensor and lens combinations. Here with the 1-inch mod. It is also possible to mount the screen in two orientations so that it can be pointing forwards or backwards. This way you can have a selfie or standard screen according to your needs at each moment. For the camera to be waterproof, it is necessary that you use it with a frame. To put it inside with a 1-inch mod, you have to unscrew the lens protector and put it back again every time. The Hero 8 has a compact design without selfie screen and with integrated folding fingers. To mount it to accessories. In my battery life tests, the Insta360 performed better than the GoPro. With a room temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius, the GoPro overheated and turned off. After 51 minutes, the cameras were recording in 4K 30 FPS. The Insta360 kept recording until the battery was completely drained and held for 1 hour and 2 minutes. The batteries on both cameras have similar capacities. The one on the GoPro charges completely in 1 hour and 46 minutes. The Insta360 is fully charged in 1 hour and 5 minutes. This is achieved using a current of almost 1.8 amps on a battery with 1.2 amps rated capacity. This can have negative effects on the lifespan of the cells. Testing the sharpness of both cameras, I realized that the Insta360 has a focal distance of almost 1 meter. This is a lot shorter on the GoPro. The Insta360 shows better results when it comes to sharpness, as you may see. When it comes to photo, I like better the colors on the GoPro. On the Insta360 they are a little bit too flat in my opinion. This is something one can change in post-production. But right out of the camera my preference goes to the Hero 8. I was also pretty happy with the high dynamic range results I got out of the GoPro. When you crop your photos in, you get more detail on the Insta360. The quality on the GoPro is not bad though. The stabilization on the Hero 8 is way better than on the Insta360. On this extreme example, while riding an electric scooter on cobblestone, you may see that the results are very different on both cameras. Also, the stabilization on the GoPro is processed on camera. On the Insta360 it happens on the app. The low light performance on the Insta360 is superior. This is no surprise once the camera has a bigger sensor built in, which should help in this category. I was disappointed with the sound quality on the Insta360. Hear for yourself. So what is my decision? I use them more as an action camera, and for this role I think the GoPro is more capable. The better stabilization and sound quality, combined with the way smaller dimensions, are important factors for my choice. Also, to work with the stabilized videos on the Insta360 you have to get them in the app first and then export the screen. On the Insta360 is also very small, making the camera operation difficult sometimes. If on the other hand you are looking for a more capable camera that fits in your pocket and allows for some cinematic shots, maybe the Insta360 with the 1-inch mod is the right one. You can profit from the better sharpness, higher image detail and better low light performance, but that comes with a higher price tag.